Hey doers, welcome to this program called the Doer Revolution. This course belongs to the first stage called Develop a Wealth Mindset. And during this course, you will find out there are 7 wealth stages. These stages help you overcome scarcity, rewire your mindset, and identify starting points to pursue prosperity and holistic wealth. What I mean by 7 wealth stages and holistic wealth, you will find in the last module. Now, as you know, wealth is a broad topic, and we will talk about it deeply throughout the course. But at the beginning, I need to emphasize something. The Doer Revolution is for doers, and to become a doer, you need to be self-disciplined and be ready to put what you learn into action. Because there is no formula to convince someone who isn't committed to achieving prosperity. And as you go through these lessons, you will understand what wealth means, and your self-confidence will become stronger. So I hope you know the truth, that having dreams is not enough. It means you need to set attainable goals, break them down into targets and tasks. Because when you look only at the overall concept, that big dream, it seems like insurmountable mountain, and you are overwhelmed. Unfortunately, the same happened to me. I traveled to many Asian countries, lived in the Philippines for several months, and encountered poverty that I couldn't believe still exists to this day. But on my journey, I also met people who literally made it out of poverty. And I was always deeply curious where their courage was coming from. Questions such as, why are those people so courageous? And what makes them different? What they know that I and you don't know. So since then, I've been studying successful people, their money habits, routines, how they organize their day, who they meet with, and what businesses they launch and thrive. What I have found out is laid out in this course, plus other principles that I learned from my mentors. As a result, it will guide you to commit and apply the pattern within your wealth areas of life. Simply said, the result can amaze you, but you must always remember the following. The root of all endeavors, voyages, attempts, tries, and fails lie in your mindset. Because the Doer Revolution teaches you to intensify your desire, dreams, and goals to pursue prosperity and holistic wealth. It is a mindset. It is a state of mind in which you are no longer accepting the average and ordinary life, and you will do whatever it takes to rewire your mindset to the next level. It gives you the reason to become the prosperity doer. Listen, if you ever read the book Think and Grow Rich, written by Napoleon Hill, the first step to wealth is desire. It is the starting point of all achievements. Therefore, you need to shift your mind, burn your ships, forget what society taught you, stop depending on your parents or someone else. Because these things are holding you back as you were sold on them. And if you think you have already achieved the peak of your full potential, your career, financial situation, the highest point of your self-actualization, then, my friend, I need to disappoint you. Because there are other wealth areas in your life where your mind needs to be directed. Listen, the Doer Revolution is not for sluggish people, because lazy people will not willingly put effort into learning something that is outside their comfort zone. This course is designed to overcome your scarcity and recondition your mind to prosperity. This course is for committed doers who are hungry to grow. Doers who are obsessed to find a starting point toward a better life. which means holistic wealth. And I assure you, the principles in this course work. However, the final decision about what to do with the skills you will learn will only be up to you, because you have to take action. But not average action or ordinary action. You have to take daily action and commit to yourself to implement the 7 wealth stages framework in your life that lets you climb up on the wealth pyramid. Listen, there aren't secrets in the world to achieve prosperity. The only one secret to get started is to recondition your subconscious mind. That's the starting point on how to pursue prosperity and holistic wealth. It is time for the Doer Revolution to rewire your beliefs and step out. It is time to believe, act, and prosper. So welcome to the Doer Revolution, and I will see you in the next lesson.